Yeah, hi. Can you brief about yourself?
Okay, first of all, thank you for giving me opportunity for introduce myself. My name is Ashish Nayak. I completed Bachelor of Engineering from RGPB University. Currently, I'm working in Gravity Interactive. Previously, I worked in impact automation service. I have 5 years, 4 months experience in manual testing, automation testing, API testing, database testing with multiple domain like hospitality domain, a retailer domain, telecommunication domain, Salesforce domain, educational domain. And in my organization, my day-to-day responsibility include attend participating Scrum Agile ceremonies like a daily stand-up meeting, understand the requirement to business purpose, and execute create a create a test cases for regression suit and execute it. Make a automation script, execute it, and create multiple report like defect summary report, test summary report, daily execution report, and collaborate with collaborate with QA team and dev team for smooth delivery. And I also hold a certificate like Agile certificate, Scrum certificate, JMeter performance certificate, ISTQB certificate, Salesforce certificate, GenAI certificate, and I'm dedicated for delivered high quality software solution. Thank you.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, just we'll start with the core Java. Okay, fine. That what is the difference between throw and throws keyword in exception handling?
Okay, throw and throws. Okay, so throw. Okay, throws is a class for the exception and error when we will execute our program and get exceptions or error. So uh, it will get from throws class, and throw is a keyword when we want to generate exceptions forcefully, so we will use throw keyword.
Okay. And what is constructor in constructor?
Constructor is nothing but it's a special member of the class. It is used for load the non-static property and initialize the
Mm-hmm.
variable.
Okay. Can we do overload of the constructor?
Uh, yes, we can.
Okay, fine. Right. What is polymorphism?
Polymorphism is a OOPS concept of Java. It's define a one object perform different operation in different life cycle. So, for an example, a method overloading and method overriding is an example of polymorphism.
Okay. Did you use it in your project, those concepts?
Yes.
Can you explain?
Okay. So. First of all, POM is nothing but page object model. So page object model, inside the page object model follow encapsulation and abstraction in our automation framework, and the base classes follow for the abstract and inheritance of concept.
Mm-hmm. No, no. My question is the polymorphism, right? Method of overloading and overriding. Where you have used it in our project, those concepts, overloading and overriding.
Okay. So Met okay. So method with the same name but different implement like open browser in Chrome versus Firefox. So it's an example of polymorphism. And method overloading we also use for an example if we want to click in web element and send keys. So also we have some example of Selenium like uh, scr- uh, uh, like mm, scroll scroll interview. Mhm.
Okay, fine then. Right. Did you use any collection framework objects?
Collection, yes, I use array list, set, and list.
Uh, what is the difference between list and set?
Okay, so okay, so first of all, set. Okay, so set is no index based access and fast for search and does not allow duplicate. And a list allow duplicate maintain is in insertion order. Element can be accessed by index using list.
Okay. Right. Where you have used the list in your project?
Okay. Okay. So so when we need to order matter, so duplicate not or not allowed indexing access is required. So find elements method is example of the list. So find elements method return type is a list. It allow index access. So by if we use find elements method, so by using find elements method, we can manage our indexing. Uh, we can call element by using index.
Okay. What is the static keyword in Java?
So static write the property with a static keyword is a class property. So it's a manage. So we can call the property by using class name, and it's used for memory management. So if we write it we write property with static keyword, so it will save in static pool area.
Mhm. Okay. Okay, fine then. Now come to some right programming questions. Are you comfortable, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have a string. Okay, I have a string with the characters and numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then I want to print only characters. Right? How you will write a program?
So, okay. We have a string, and the string consists with numeric and a character number. Am I right, sir?
Right.
Okay. Okay.
You have to print only characters.
So, can I share a screen and make the program?
Yeah, yeah. If you are comfortable, you can. Yeah.
Okay. Is it visual, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
We have a string. And,
Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I have given one compiler. I have pinged you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, can you open that compiler and paste this code there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in the Teams I have pinged you. Oh, open that. Just inside main, right? Whatever you have written, copy paste. Not entire thing, not entire.
Okay, sir.
Control Z only inside main method, whatever you have.
Mm-hmm.
Only copy that and replace it.
Okay, sir. I'm getting an error.
Carrot, that spelling is wrong. 18th line.
Okay, this method is a small t. And
Only characters, M-E-C-T-E. Okay, okay, good then. It is printing right result. Okay, fine then. Right, are you able to write one more program, right? Suppose if I have an array with the
mm-hmm.
duplicates, array with the duplicates, I want to print only unique values.
I want to print only.
Unique values from the array.
Okay.
Suppose 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, again 2, 3, 4 duplicates are there. Right, I want to print only unique
You.
values.
Mm-hmm. Okay, sir.
Right, you can delete inside main. Alright, you can start it.
Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Mm. Okay. Mm. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Good. Suppose if it is not in order, right? Is it work?
Yes, sir.
If the array is in, you have kept in a order, right?
Mm-hmm.
If it is suppose I have given 10, 30. Give duplicate some duplicate last 600 again give 600 again now it give it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's good. Uh, okay, we'll start with the now Selenium questions. Some of them. Right, suppose if an XPath identifies two elements,
Okay.
okay, then I am using a find element. Right, what will happen?
Okay. If we are using find element method and the element located to web elements. So by using find element method, it will click on uh, first element visual in a DOM.
Okay, good. Okay, what is the stale element exception?
Stale element exception if web element uh, if element not longer appear on the web page. So in this situation, I will get no stale reference exception. So sometimes web element is hidden or dynamic. So if the web element our Selenium script will not identify or not longer appear or visible for the script, so I will get no stale reference exception.
Okay. Suppose if I want to scroll down to particular element, alright,
Mhm.
I want to scroll to the particular element. Alright, how you will do that?
So I will go with the Java executor. So using Java executor, I have a one method scroll into view. So by using the method, we can scroll
Mm.
up to web element.
Okay. Okay, good. Right. I want to take a screenshot whenever text case is filed. Alright,
So
how you will.
so I okay. Uh, so for take a screenshot in Selenium, so we will use take in screenshot interface. So first of all, we will cast take a screenshot interface to driver. Then we will inside the taken screenshot interface, we have a method get screenshot as, and inside the argument we will pass output type dot file. So by using the method, uh, we can click screenshot in Selenium. Then if we want to save the picture to desired location. So we will use file utils dot copy file. So using copy file method, we can save our screenshot in desired location.
Okay. But how you will take when text case is filed? You have taken the screenshot, but I want to, whenever my text case is failed, I want to take the screenshot.
Sir, can you please repeat again?
I want to take the screenshot whenever my test case is failed.
Okay.
Suppose I have a 10 test cases. Right.
Mhm.
Suppose the five, two, three test cases are failed. Right. Only for those two test cases, I want to take the screenshot.
Okay. So we can use okay. So we can use TestNG annotation.
Okay. What
or
test engine it is?
mhm. Okay. There is a one another way we can also go with try catch, try catch block. If test cases, if we get any exceptions, then it will go with in catch block and click a screenshot. Another one is mm, we can go with uh,
Right, so
uh,
test engine, what is the method? It will execute after test case. Which test engine annotation will execute?
I think on test failure is a method.
What are the annotations available in test
Okay.
engine?
Test ng we have a multiple annotation at the rate before at the rate test at the rate before class. Sorry, at the rate test at the rate method at the rate before class at the rate test at the rate before test at the rate before suit, then at the rate after method at the rate after class at the rate after test at the rate after suit at the rate data provider and at the rate and
Okay, after
parameterizers.
method. Okay, at the rate after method, you said after method. When it will execute?
After method,
Hmm.
after method will execute after every test.
Right, then you can take the right. How you will do you know how to validate test case pass or fail in the after method?
Yes, we can apply a session.
How you will validate whether test case is pass or fail in after method?
Mhm. So,
Okay, you have a test result attribute. Right, argument you have to take in the public. Suppose if you have a public void right after method,
mhm.
you have to write a test result. By using the result, you can get the status of it. Result dot get right result of the test case. We can get it. If it is failed, then we can take the screenshot dynamically every. We can check after each method execution. We can verify whether test case is pass or fail. If it is failed, we can take the screenshot. Okay, you can try
Oh,
that.
oh, okay.
Okay, fine. Mm, okay, good. What is data provider interesting?
Okay, data provider is okay. So data provider is also annotation inside the test engine. By using data provider, we can do data-driven testing. That means we can test one functionality or one test case in multiple test data.
Okay, what is the return type of data provider?
So, so there is we will use uh,
Right, it's a
two-dimensional.
two-dimensional object array.
Mhm. So inside the data provider, we will use मतलब two-dimensional array inside object. Can I write it, sir?
Not required. Just it is a two-dimensional object array, right?
Yes,
We have to
two-dimensional object.
prepare the two-dimensional object array and we have to return it.
Mhm, got it. Got yes.
Oh,
Mhm.
okay. So did you use any listeners, test engine listeners?
Listeners,
Hmm.
yes.
Which listeners you have used?
I test listeners and I listeners
Why you have used? What is the purpose of it?
for generate listener is nothing but it's provide uh, That means we can, by using listeners, we can generate customized report. Like for an example, we can also use listeners for uh, if our test case failure, so we can also use list I test listeners for show
Mm-hmm.
the result.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, fine. Right, coming to right, what are the Maven commands you have used?
Yes, sir.
Mm, You have idea about Maven, right? What are the different commands, Maven commands you have used?
Different commands.
Suppose
Like,
if I want to run my right test cases using Maven, how you will run it?
so there are multiple commands in Maven, like basic XML command, and we can also add dependencies. So it's a multiple line commands, and I think we can also add plugin. So there is
Mm-hmm.
I think I
Those are
think
all
three.
right. That is the syntax of the form.xml. What are the things we will add? Right, dependencies, plugins, those things. But commands means what? Clean, install, test, right? Those things are the commands of the Maven.
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Uh,
got it, sir. Okay, okay. So there is I think eight commands for the Maven, like Maven MBN clean, NBN complete, NVM MVN test, and MVN package also, and MVN install. So these are
mhm.
commands for Maven.
Okay.
Also, you can also using Maven we can deploy, so and validate and clean our code. So for an example, MVN validate, MVN deploy, and MVN clean install.
Okay.
So clean up the output of previous build. So we will use clean and configure our project. So we will use MVN validate, and for compile, we will use MVN compile. And for run our code using Maven command, we will use MVN test. So
Okay. Okay. Fine. Right. Suppose if I want to execute my test case on different browsers, right? How you
mhm.
will do that?
So if we want to test uh, our test cases different browser.
Right.
Okay. So we can, there is two ways. So first of all, we can make a no, no. So, so we need to manipulate our test suite. So by using, okay, uh, okay, sir, so we can go with our test and the test suite, and
Yeah, we can go with the TestNG file by keeping the parameter, right? We can create a different test tags. One test tag
okay,
we can
yes.
pass the parameter Chrome, one test tag we can pass the
Mhm.
Firefox page.
Yes, yes,
Right?
yes.
Then
Got it, got it.
make our logic also driver creation if and else. Right? If it is a parameter is the Chrome, we have to create the Chrome instance.
Yes. Yes, the test cases with @parameter annotation to receive the browser name and use the creating the web browser, and inside this suite we can create multiple tests and name of the test we will use as per the browser name, and where we can set parameters, name and values.
Okay, fine. Yeah, good. Uh, then what are the different Git commands you have idea?
Different commands in Git like git clone, git pull, git push, git reset, git git push, git pull, git clone, and git init and git status. So these are
Mm-hmm.
and git also git log. These are commands.
Okay. Do you know what is the difference between Git fetch and the Git pull?
Uh, Git fetch and git pull. Yes.
What is
Why
the difference?
using so by using git okay, so purpose of the git fetch is retrieve update from the remote repository, such as a new branch if we have a new branch, it does not merge and update into in local branch automatically. So I will use git fetch purpose of retrieve and update from the remote repository. And use case in generally used when you want to check for new changes from a remote repository, but don't want to automatically apply them your working branch. So I will use git fetch, and git pull perform git fetch followed by for a use case of Git pull, it is commonly used when you want to automatically update your local branch with changes from the remote repository without inspecting or manually merging the update. So when we will merge by default or rebase or of the fetched changes into your current branch, so I will use Git pull.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah.
So we can
Mhm.
also tell different key difference in git fetch and git pull. Uh, so by using git pull, we can merge this up. If we will use git fetch, so no merge updated. It does not merge update into your current branch. And git pull merge updated. It fetches and merges update into current branch.
Okay, fine. Are you comfortable with manual testing?
Maven?
Manual testing.
Yes, yes, sure, I'm comfortable.
Uh-huh. What is the defect life cycle?
So defect life cycle is nothing but it's a journey of the defect. So start from open, invalid, uh, new, open, invalid, defer, closed, reopen. So these are the status of the defect life cycle.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is the difference between sanity and smoke testing?
So sanity, uh, okay. Okay, Sanity and Smoke both are testing for both are zero level testing. That means uh, we will use for build verification. We will get we if we get new build, then we will perform sanity or smoke testing. So difference between the testing, if we will get bug in a new build, then we will reject the build if we are performing sanity testing. If we are performing a smoke testing, then we will find a root cause and reject the build. So goal of smoke testing, the goal of smoke testing is to determine if the software build is stable enough to proceed with more detailed testing like functional testing, and it is perform after a new build. But sanity is a type of testing check if a specific functionality or bug fixed work as expected. So it's a goal
Oh,
of. Mhm.
yeah, yeah, right. Yeah, I think yeah, that's it, Ashish, from my side.
Mhm.